Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of Goddess Zonget, renowned as the Siberian goddess of the animals, hunting, and wildlife. Part 1: Significance of Goddess Zonget. What does Zonget represent in mythology? In the realm of Siberian mythology, the revered goddess Zonget holds the title of Mistress of Herds. She possesses dominion over all birds, animals, and the hunters who seek them. It is said that under her divine influence, birds and animals willingly submit themselves to capture if she deems it appropriate. To this day, the shamans of hunting communities honor her through offerings, and by treating the creatures with utmost reverence. They understand that failing to do so may result in a scarcity of food supplies. When Zonget graces mortals with her presence, she takes the form of a graceful gray Arctic bird, symbolizing her connection to the wilderness and her role as a protector and guide for those who rely on the natural world for sustenance. Her influence reminds us of the sacred interdependence between humans and animals, urging us to approach hunting and the consumption of nature's gifts with respect and gratitude. Part 2: Archetypal Qualities of Zonget. Unleashing the Primal Huntress. Exploring the archetypal essence of Goddess Zonget. Goddess Zonget embodies powerful archetypal characteristics that resonate with the primal instincts and harmonious interplay between humans and the natural world. As the mistress of herds, she represents the fierce and nurturing aspects of the hunt. Zonget symbolizes the unity of predator and prey, reminding us of the delicate balance required for survival. Her archetypal essence embodies freedom and adaptability, reflected in the flight of birds and the swift movement of animals. She ignites our primal instincts, calling upon our intuitive connection to the wilderness. With her guidance, we tap into the cyclical rhythms of nature, recognizing the interconnectedness of all living beings. The archetype of Zonget invites us to honor the primal aspects within ourselves and the necessity of respecting and harmonizing with the natural world. Part 3: Symbols associated with Goddess Zonget. Landscapes of power, Zonget's domain, and the symbolism of Siberian terrain. In Siberian mythology, the goddess Zonget is associated with several symbols, such as birds, especially the gray Arctic bird through which she manifests to mortals, symbolize her presence and ability to navigate between different realms. Animals like deer and elk embody the cycles of nature and the interdependence of all living beings. Hunting tools, such as bows and arrows, serve as reminders of the partnership between humans and nature in sustaining life. The vast landscapes of forests, mountains, and plains symbolize Zonget's domain and the untamed beauty of the natural world. Offerings, such as animal hides and feathers, express respect and gratitude for nature's bounty, reinforcing the sacredness of the hunt. It's essential to acknowledge that symbols associated with Goddess Zonget can vary across Siberian communities and traditions. Part 4: The Story of Goddess Zonget. The Sacred Grove. Pilgrimage and rituals in honor of Zonget. In the ancient and mystical lands of Siberia, there existed a deity who was revered above all others. Her name was Zonget, a goddess embodying the very essence of the untamed wilderness. She encapsulated the raw power of the fierce winds that swept across the vast plains and radiated the ethereal beauty of the northern lights. Zonget commanded both awe and admiration, for her abilities were as magnificent as they were unpredictable. The people of Siberia held her in a delicate balance of reverence and fear, acknowledging the profound force she wielded in their lives. Legend had it that Zonget was born from the union of the sun and the moon, a celestial union that infused her with extraordinary abilities. She possessed the ability to shapeshift, assuming the form of a majestic snow leopard, a graceful Siberian crane, or a powerful tigress. Her radiant presence illuminated the darkest nights, filling the hearts of those who beheld her with wonder and reverence. Zonget's domain extended far and wide, encompassing the sprawling taigas, the mighty rivers, and the snow-capped peaks that reached towards the heavens. She was not just a goddess of nature, but also a guardian of balance and harmony. The people believed that her wrath could bring devastating storms and unforgiving blizzards, while her favor bestowed blessings of abundance and protection. Deep within the heart of the Siberian wilderness, nestled amidst towering pines, stood a sacred grove dedicated to Zonget. It was a place of pilgrimage where the devout would offer prayers and gifts to honor the goddess. The air was thick with an otherworldly energy as whispers of ancient tales and prophecies echoed through the ancient trees. One winter's eve, a young hunter named Yuri ventured into the depths of the forest. He sought to prove his worth, hoping to catch a prized stag whose antlers were said to bring fortune and prosperity. With each step, Yuri could feel the watchful gaze of Zonget upon him, as if the very essence of the goddess permeated the air. As Yuri ventured deeper into the forest, a blizzard suddenly roared to life, obscuring his path. Lost and disoriented, he stumbled upon the sacred grove. In the midst of his desperation, he fell to his knees and pleaded to Zonget for guidance. With a mighty gust of wind, the goddess appeared before Yuri, her form shimmering with an ethereal light. Her voice, soft yet commanding, echoed through the grove. Zonget revealed to Yuri that the stag he sought was not a mere trophy, but a guardian of the balance between the human world and the realm of spirits. Impressed by Yuri's sincerity and respect for nature, Zonget bestowed upon him a sacred talisman. It was a pendant, adorned with a gleaming emerald, said to carry a fragment of the goddess's power. With it, Yuri gained the ability to communicate with animals, harness the forces of nature, and protect the delicate equilibrium of the land. Empowered by Zonget's blessing, Yuri embraced his role as a guardian of the wilderness. He became a voice for the voiceless, advocating for the preservation of the Siberian ecosystem and its inhabitants. With the pendant close to his heart, he ventured forth, ensuring that the balance between man and nature remained unbroken. As time passed, Yuri's deeds reached the ears of the people, and tales of his encounters with Zonget began to circulate. His selfless acts and unwavering commitment to the land earned him the title of Champion of the Wild. But Yuri remained humble, always acknowledging that it was the grace of Zonget that guided him on his path. And so, the legend of Zonget, the Siberian goddess, lived on. Her benevolent presence continued to bless the land, ensuring the preservation of Siberia's natural beauty for generations to come. In the hearts of the people, she remained a symbol of the untamed spirit of the wild, a testament to the enduring power of nature and the profound connection between humans and the world around them. Part 5.3. Strategies for personal transformation, tapping into the power of the Zonget archetype. Strategy 1. Embrace sacred balance. Seek to find harmony and balance in your life. Just as she represents the delicate equilibrium between predator and prey, strive to cultivate balance in your relationships, work-life dynamics, and personal well-being. Embrace both your nurturing and assertive qualities, recognizing the interplay between strength and compassion. Strategy 2. Connect with the natural world. Informed by Siberian cultural traditions, immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and develop a profound connection with the wilderness. Spend time in outdoor settings, whether it's a forest, a mountain, or a riverbank. Observe the animals, birds, and plants around you, acknowledging their intrinsic value and the interconnectedness of all living beings. By embracing the teachings of Zonget, you deepen your appreciation for the natural world and foster a sense of responsibility towards its preservation. Strategy 3. Honor the sacred meaning of hunt. Drawing inspiration from the hunting traditions of Siberian culture, develop a mindful approach to goal setting and achievement. The hunt symbolizes determination, patience, and skill. Apply these qualities to your personal pursuits, setting clear objectives and strategizing the steps needed to achieve them. Embrace the mindset of a hunter, adapting to challenges, staying focused, and embracing the thrill of the chase. As you engage in your own personal hunt, remember to do so with respect for yourself, others, and the natural world. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains. emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that, at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. Chapter 1. Choose a serene outdoor location that reflects the untamed beauty of nature. Ideally, the ritual should be conducted at dusk or during the night when the energy is potent. Set up a small altar or sacred space adorned with symbols of the natural world, such as flowers, stones, and feathers. 2. Begin by purifying the space and yourself. Use sacred smoke, such as sage or palo santo, to cleanse the area, waving it in a circular motion while focusing on releasing any negative energy. Pass the smoke over your body, visualizing it purifying your mind, body, and spirit. 3. Approach the altar and place offerings on it one by one. These offerings can include fresh flowers, herbs, crystals, or anything else that represents the beauty and harmony of nature. 4. Find a comfortable position near the altar and enter into a meditative state. Close your eyes and envision the wild landscapes of Siberia, the dancing northern lights, and the power of Zonget coursing through the land. 5. Open your heart and mind to receive any messages or insights from Goddess Zonget. Allow her wisdom to flow through you, offering guidance or inspiration for your own journey. You may wish to journal your thoughts or engage in silent conversation with the goddess, expressing your hopes, dreams, and questions. 6. Express your gratitude for the opportunity to connect with Zonget and the sacredness of the ritual. Acknowledge that her energy will continue to guide you in your daily life as you strive to embody the harmony and untamed spirit she represents. Remember to honor and respect the natural world, seeking harmony and balance in all that you do. A final message, words of wisdom from Zonget. In the vastness of nature, we find solace, challenge, and the opportunity to reconnect with our deepest instincts. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.